Hey there, ring enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to check ring size at home in 2025. Whether you're shopping for jewelry online, planning a surprise proposal, or just curious about your own size, getting this right can save you time and hassle. Plus, with all the cool tech available in 2025, it's easier than ever. Let's dive in. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need a piece of string or a strip of paper, a ruler or measuring tape, and maybe your smartphone for some modern tools. Start by picking a finger where you want to wear the ring. Remember, fingers can swell, so measure at the end of the day for accuracy. Step 1. If you have a ring that already fits well, place it on a flat surface. Use your string or paper to trace around the inside of the ring. Then, measure the diameter with your ruler. For example, if it's about 16 millimeters, that's roughly a size 5 in the US system. Easy peasy. Step 2. If you don't have a ring handy, wrap the string snugly around the base of your finger. Make sure it's not too tight, comfort is key. Mark the spot where the string overlaps, then lay it flat and measure the length in millimeters. To convert that to a ring size, divide the circumference by 3.14, that's pi, and compare it to a standard chart. In 2025, you can even use apps like RingFit Pro, which uses your phone's camera to scan and calculate instantly, technology at its finest. Step 3. Double-check your measurement. Fingers vary by temperature and activity, so try it a couple of times. If you're buying for someone else, measure their finger when they're relaxed. Common mistakes include measuring too loosely or ignoring knuckle size, so account for that. And there you have it. You're now a ring size pro. Remember, accuracy leads to perfect fits and happy surprises. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.